morning, one and Pradhan over here. My name is Ajay. Today I'm going to share the experience of mine when I was in class 10th. So let's start. So in starting, when I enter in a new school, means I took admission in class 9th. So I was not have any experience about that how to talk to the teacher, how to go in class properly. So in class 9th, I couldn't get good marks. But as I entered in class 10th, means I had a 1 year experience how to talk with teacher, how to ask a question. So when I took admission in class 10th, so I was completely different. I thought that this year can be the best year of my life. So I studied. I was sitting in the front row of the class. I was thinking that if I will sit the first row of the class, so teacher will notice me and they will ask me a lot of questions. So it happens. I used to sit in the front row because I was loving the seat. And people used to ask me lots of questions, and even though I used to solve the question very quickly. So in class 10th, I was very weak in English. Maybe I hardly get 46 marks in English because of some teacher, because they helped me. Maybe if they will not teachers, so I couldn't get this kind of number. And in 11th, sorry, in 9th, I was maybe 34 or 35 number was in my list. So that was the situation of my English. And class 10th, so I got 46 number. But maths I was very good from the. I was good at maths from my schooling. So I got maybe 56 and 57 number also in previous in half yearly, and also I get more than the 60 plus marks in my board exam. I think maybe I'm not sure, but 86 or 85 something. It could be similar. I am not getting it. I am not remembering, but there could be. So okay. Or also science. I had a good command over the science, but I was weak in English and Sanskrit and social science. So I somehow I managed all of the subjects, but I didn't take any tuition for maths and science. I studied because that time I did not have a smartphone, but I have only books and a guide that is called Bal Bharti. I think I'm not sure. So that was Bal Bharti. I used to study 3 and 4 hours daily. Means in evening. I did not go to I did not go to out there with a friend at night. Means I used to go, but in 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, but not even 6 after 6 o'clock. So I used to study 6 to 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe hardly 10. Then so also I used to wake up early in the morning like 5 and 6 a.m. So that made me very strong in comparison to studies and in comparison to another work. So that was I was very disciplined that time. But as I entered in class 11th, I became same. So I got first rank in my last place 11th. But after 12th, I couldn't get this because there was a corona pandemic in 2020 and 2021. So I had to postpone the studies because it was happening. Government was thinking that we should open a school, but cases were increasing day by day. So somehow we took 3 and 4 month class in our 12th. So the exam was not happy. That's why I can't say that I did. I do not want to count it because it was not my own marks. It was not my own marks, but it was given by my own previous attempt in my previous experience. So that was the journey of my school. Thank you so much.